Are you wondering how to delete a task in Asana? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you two of the easiest ways to do so. So the first way is to simply navigate to the task that you want to delete, and then you want to right click, and then you simply scroll down to delete tasks. And if you left click on your mouse, it is going to be deleted. Now bear in mind that you have around 10 seconds to undo that, and you'd click the undo button in order to do so. If you do miss this, then you won't be able to undo the action unless you follow a particular process, and I do run through that in a separate video on my channel, so do head over there if you want to learn how to do that. The second way to delete a task is you would, let's say we want to delete the top one again, you would left click, you'd kind of hover over to the details button, you'd left click, and it's going to bring up this tab here, and then at the top you'll notice that there's on the fourth option 3 dots, and that's called more actions. If you left click here, at the bottom you'll also see the option to delete the task, and you simply left click that and you'll see that it has gone. So those are the two ways in order to delete tasks in Asana. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And do consider heading over to my channel and subscribing as well. As I said earlier, I've got a lot of videos on Asana training. So if you're looking or just started using the tool, then there's a lot to learn, and you can learn through some of my videos. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.